So in previous video, I have shown you how to host a website on Google Cloud virtual machine instance. But since Google Cloud has free tier available for everyone, in this video I'm going to show you if we can really host a website for free by trying to set up and staying under free tier. Ready? Let's check it out. Google Cloud provides the smallest virtual machine instance, F1 Micro, for everyone to use for free. Let's look at the technical specification. It's a shared core CPU, so you only get a 2/10 of a single CPU core and only 600 MB of RAM. This seems very low, but actually, with good setup, it's more than enough for a small blog and static website. It also has bursting capabilities, which let VM use extra CPU power for a short period. I found that it allows around 200% performance of the CPU utilization for about a minute. So if you happen to have a sudden spike in web traffic, this should take care of it. I have another website with around 20,000 visitors per month using F1 Micro, and it works just fine. With a good setup, it uses around 5 to 10% average CPU and only 2 to 250 MB of RAM. As for storage, free tier allows up to 30 GB hard disk per month, but please be careful about this. If you set your disk size to exactly 30 gigs, then you will be charged. I'm not quite sure about the reason, but I guess it's a glitch in the billing system. Set it to 20 or 25 should work fine, and give you plenty room of space for a static WordPress website. Although I recommend you to install the minimal version of Ubuntu, which require less space. The next thing you will need is the external static IP address. In the past, this used to be free if your virtual machine isn't used for the entire month. But now Google starts charging it for $1 to $2 per month. Luckily, free tier allows one external IP address per month, so we don't have to worry about this. Just keep the VM running 24/7 and don't turn it off, or you'll be charged. Next one that's going to be the most challenging is traffic. Free tier only allows 1 GB of network egress from the instance. So if your average web page size is around 2 MB, then you can only support around 500 visitors per month, which is very minimal. Anyway, you can increase this number by using CDN to cache your website like Cloudfair. For me, using Cloudfair cut the traffic load into 1/3 of the original. And for WordPress website, you can also use compression plugin to further reduce the bandwidth. Still, free tier doesn't include traffic to Australia and China, so you will be charged if visitors are from these countries. Bummer. As for a backup solution, free tier allows up to 5 gigs of disk snapshot storage, which is typically enough for a single snapshot, unless your website has lots of assets like videos and images. So after hosting my website using setup above for several months, here's my bill. The first one on the list is the external IP address charge, around $1.5, which is offset by the free tier under spending-based discount below. Then the remaining costs are all network traffic, which is around 30 cents, very cheap considering this website has around 20,000 visitors per month. And personally, if your website has that much of visitors already, it's time to get out of a free tier, monetize your website, and start paying for the service. Anyway, I still have free credit from Google, so it will get offset under promotion category. So to sum up, you can actually host a website on Google Cloud for free, but only for a small and static website with around few thousand visitors per month. Still, this is a great opportunity for someone who wants to try hosting websites on Google Cloud before making final decision. The F1 Micro instance may be small, but more than enough for a small to medium blog or static website. And if you don't mind paying for the traffic charge, I used to have around 60,000 visitors per month with F1 Micro instance before I decided to upgrade. But note that you will also need to set up CDN and use cache plugin to reach that number. And that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see more web dev tips and tutorials, subscribe this channel to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.